So we're going to go through the steps of changing the flow turbine. Okay, Maris, to do this job, what do you think we need to do?
Okay, we need to isolate the cold water supply
That's it.
at the bottom of the boiler.
Yeah.
Then open taps just to get rid of water in the boiler.
Yeah, the pressure.
The pipes,
yeah,
pressure.
that's it. Yeah, that's it. Good.
And then undo the pins for turbine.
Yeah, but the main thing, I'll stop you there. That was the first thing what I was looking at, is what we do.
Right.
The initial stages, and that's
Okay.
correct thinking, what you said
Okay.
to do. So that's what I was really aiming at. We're underneath the boiler. So this is a cold water inlet here. There. I'm going to shut off this valve. There. Might have to get a better screwdriver actually. It's now off, you can see it's across the pipe like that. So what I'm going to do is open a cold tap, get the hot tap and see if the water's gone. That's the tap and there's no water coming out. So what you've got, this is the flow turbine here. So we've got this clip we're going to remove, that's going to go upwards, and then we've got another clip at the back, and you can see it here, there, that's got to come off as well. And then the other, well, thing we need to do, this pipe here needs to be removed, and this will be done from the bottom, the underside of the boiler. Like this nut here, that we can undo first. So get your adjustable spanner on that and then undo that nut. That's it, you're going right, that's it. You might be able to get the rest with your finger, I don't know, with your hand.
It's a bit tight.
But what you can do, because it's moved, you should be alright now with releasing this side and getting hold of it with that one. Try this one. Should do the rest now. That's it. That's just sucking air in. So leave that for a minute, just like that. Do that. So just air in the pipe, and it will come out of that tap what we've opened in the basin. So once that's stopped, we can leave that for a minute and we'll go up the top and then pull out the clips. Right, so if you push that up, yeah, that's it. Use your pliers, that's it's come out. Let's put it to one side. Leave it here. Let's leave it there. Right, you've got this other clip. If you look through here,
Yeah.
that's what we're going to remove. Yeah. Got like a bit of water coming out there. What you can do, we need to move it round a bit. See, I'm moving it round a bit like that, and then we're going to pull it that way up. Don't let it fly off too fast. That's it, it's coming. That's it, good man. Right, again, just leave that there. Okay, now this pipe, that's connected to that nut what we've done.
Yeah,
Undone. So I'll undo it properly now.
Yeah.
Okay, now we should be able to pull this out now, this pipe.
Alright. Yeah.
They're going?
Sideways, no. You see, because there's a lip on the other pipe that stops me from taking it
Okay,
out
I
completely.
think might be a back nut. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a back nut on the other side. That's it. Yeah, that back nut that could be.
Yeah.
Undone.
Yeah.
You totally remove that, and that'll give you enough play.
Yeah, I think that. Yeah.
That's it. Let's see if you can remove it now. That's it. That's it. Now you can pull the flow turbine towards you. That's it.
Connected.
And then you're gonna, that's it. And then you're gonna disconnect that plug there. No, you don't need a screwdriver. I'll show you what we do. I'm just gonna pull out of there. Like that. So I'll open up this. That's our new one, just put it there for a sec. And then we've got these O-rings here, what we're going to replace. So we're going to put one on that, one on this pipe here, on the end of that one there, replace that, and that one, and then we'll put silicone grease, and then we can put them in. Okay? Okay, now I know it's the O-rings still in the pipe, the old one, so let's take that one out. Okay, compare it with one of these so we know which is the right one. So that's the one, which again is going to go on the end of there. So put your new one on that. That's it, and you want some silicone on there. Bit generous with it. What you're going to do, you're going to connect the wire onto there next. Okay. Just like I did, just shove it on. Pushed in, that's it. Okay, you now can put that in. Shove that in. So it goes home. That's it. Yeah? Now, our clip, our big clip, what we've got here. Right, this, the fin bit, which is this part, that's a fin bit here. That's going to go, so it's going to go down that way like that.
Okay.
Now, you push it in,
yep.
And I'll put this on. You can watch back on the video, because the fin bit's got to go in between. It's hard to show you live, you have to watch the replay. I'm trying to keep it there. It's not gone right on yet. I can tell it's not gone on yet. Wait a minute. Let's try that again. It's difficult trying to... I'm holding the camera and doing this one-handed, so that's why I'm struggling to commentate. Put this on and hold the camera. We're going to pull this off again. Oh, I think I've done it. Yeah, let's pull it. Yeah, see, if you pull it like that, it can't come off. So that's your test. Yeah?
Alright. Yeah.
Because obviously if you pulled it off, it's not on.
Right.
And that's what that's the purpose of that clip.
Right.
So you can't pull it off, or you can't blow off under pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're giving that quick test like that. Can't remove it.
Right.
It's on firm. This is a plan view. You can see. Wait a minute. You can see the back bit, no problem, but it's the front bit which is difficult to show you. But that's. Let's see if I turn it up the top. There you can, you can see it. Can you see it there?
Yeah.
You can just about see it where it's in between the fin part. That's where it needs to go. Right, so that can be done away with. Just put that down there for a minute. Right, with this one, we're just going to have to reuse that O-ring because the other O-ring is not the right size. So I'll put plenty of silicone on that, and then we can shove that in and put the clip on. On the O-ring itself, yeah. That's it, good. That's it, good. Then we'll connect the bottom section now. Okay, you're going to tighten that locking up now. Have to get it on the thread.
It's spinning from the arm, so I've got to hold that from inside.
Okay, let it down.
So yeah, it's just a bit loose here.
Okay. And once that's tightened up, then we can connect the union. We're going to put a new washer in there. Let's just check to make sure. There's an old washer, see that? See that washer there? That one. We need to get that off. What I'll do, I use a little standing knife to flick it off. See it fly off, it was fast. Just tighten up the locking up now. That'll do.
Just putting the washer in.
Pardon?
Just putting the washer in.
That's it, yeah. Always doing his own commentary, like us keep. Yeah, you take over, go on then.
So,
And what are you doing now, Professor?
I'm just putting that on.
You can see the way he's tightening it, the way his tension on that fingers is just stupendous. Right, what you want to do is grip both ends now, so get the little grips on this part, that, but there you go. Yeah, that's it. Another turn. Yeah. Okay. Right. Quick question. Before we turn it on, what do we need to do next?
Okay, we need to leave the tap open.
No, close the tap.
Close the tap to see if there's any pressure and leaks.
Yeah, so we'll close the tap first, yeah, before we turn it on, and then we'll turn it on slowly here, and then you can get a pressure build up between here and the closed tap.
Yeah.
So if there is a leak, we can close it off quickly and control it.
Yeah.
If we have the tap open, and then we go over to the tap once it's flowing and to close the tap, and then if there's a pressure build up and it bursts, then we're at the tap and we can't control it.
Right, yeah.
I mean, shit creek.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it, right. Okay, so we've just closed the tap, and I'm going to open the valve below the boiler just slightly, just to let a bit of pressure and water in. As you can hear, now it's pressurizing, and we're building pressure between the closed tap and this area to check for any leaks.
Yeah, I can't hear nothing, that's all good. Yeah, carry it on.
Right. So,
there's nothing bursting out here, so you've done a good job, mate.
okay.
Yeah, excellent.
Right.
Okay, good. So
open it fully now?
Yeah, fully on, yeah. Okay, bro. Okay, so we've tested it and it's now on and it's working as normal. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you've got any comments, I'd like to hear from you. So that's it from me. And I'll see you on the next video.